If you're seeking opportunities to earn money in IT, don't hesitate. Learn Python. The process of learning Python is straightforward and accessible. By acquiring Python skills, you can quickly secure a suitable job and start generating income. Moreover, in today's world, thanks to the internet and the infrastructure supporting remote work, you have the flexibility to be anywhere globally and collaborate with companies from different parts of the world to generate incomes. It's fantastic. Now you might wonder, how can I become a Python developer? Join me as we review the key points of learning Python together. Greetings and welcomes to the Python development journey. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned coder, this video is crafted just for you. I'm Farhad Ali Karami, and together we'll uncover the secrets of becoming a Python developer. Now, you might be thinking, why Python? What's all the buzz about? Well, get ready for a delightful exploration. Today, we'll tackle common questions and concerns that often cross the minds of those entering the Python world. So, grab your virtual notebooks and let's dive into some coding fun. But before we delve into the technical details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. This way, you'll stay updated on all our future tech talks and coding adventures. Alright, let's embark on this Python adventure together. Ready? Let's get started. Why choose Python? Python stands out in the coding world, and here's why. First off, it's super readable, which is fantastic for coding beginners. Think of Python as a language that talks just like everyday English, making it way easier to learn. But that's not all. Python is like a jack of all trades, fitting perfectly into different areas like web development, data science, AI, and automation. Let's break it down. In web development, Python keeps things simple, speeding up the coding process. This means developers can focus on making things work rather than wrestling with complicated syntax. And in data science, Python comes with powerful libraries like NumPy and Pandas, making tricky data tasks a breeze. Now, when it comes to AI and automation, Python is the real MVP. It's not just powerful, it's adaptable too. And guess what? Python isn't just a tech thing. It's a big deal in finance, healthcare, and more. In tech, Python powers major platforms and frameworks for strong backend systems. Financial pros use it for crunching numbers and modeling, while healthcare folks rely on Python for handling medical data and running machine learning tricks. To sum it up, Python's readability, all-around skills, and its job in real-world industries make it a perfect language. Whether you're just starting or a coding pro, Python's got your back for all kinds of cool projects. Getting started with Python. Embarking on Python learning journey is an exciting endeavor. And here's a straightforward guide to kick off your exploration. Step 1. Set up your coding space. Begin by picking a reliable integrated development environment or IDE, like VS Code. These tools are your coding companions, offering cool features like code completion, debugging tools, and project management. They make your Python coding efficient and, dare I say, enjoyable. Step 2. Discover interactive learning platforms. Now, let's talk learning. Jump into interactive Python tutorials on platforms like Code Academy and W3 schools. These places offer hands-on exercises, letting you put your new knowledge to the test in real time. It's like learning to ride a bike by actually riding it. Practical and effective. This interactive learning not only speeds up your understanding, but also boosts your confidence in coding. Step 3. Make practice a habit. Here's the golden rule. Practice makes progress. The key to mastering Python is consistent practice. Dedicate regular time to coding. Solve problems and take on small projects. This hands-on experience reinforces your understanding of Python syntax, logic, and coding best practices. By following these steps, my friends, you'll build a strong foundation in Python, setting the stage for an awesome coding adventure. Remember, progress comes with practice. So, keep coding and enjoy the journey. What IDEs do you recommend? Alright, let's get into something important. Finding the right tool for your Python journey, aka your Integrated Development Environment or IDE. It's like picking the perfect gear for your adventure. Check out these awesome recommendations customized for different needs. Ready? Let's go. Recommendation 1. PyCharm. Key features. PyCharm is the powerhouse loaded with features. Imagine top-notch code analysis, strong debugging tools, and a smooth integration with popular frameworks. Ideal for if you're into heavy-duty development, be it web stuff or diving into the world of data science, PyCharm is your trusty sidekick. Recommendation 2. VS Code or Visual Studio Code. Key features. My friends, VS Code is the all-rounder. It's light, but packs a punch, with a huge library of extras making it fit for different project types. Ideal for whether you're into web development, scripting, or general coding, VS Code has got you covered for all your versatile development needs. Recommendation 3. Jupyter Notebooks. Key features. Made for data science. Jupyter Notebooks gives you an interactive and visual space for playing with data analysis, visualization, and machine learning. Ideal for data scientists and analysts going deep into projects with load of data exploration and experimentation. Remember, the best IDE for you depends on what your project needs and what you personally like. Whether you're all about features, keeping it simple, or getting specialized, exploring these options will help you find the IDE that fit your Python dreams. Essential libraries and frameworks. Alright, let's uncover the power of Python with some must-have libraries and frameworks that cover different areas. These tools are like your special helpers for building awesome applications. Let's get into the essentials. NumPy for numerical operations. Use case. Perfect for diving into numbers and handling those big data sets, especially in fields like data science and machine learning. Added value. Get ready for efficient math operations, playing with arrays and a bunch of statistical functions to make your data do cool stuff. Pandas for data manipulation. Use case. A must-have for any data science project. Pandas is your friend for analyzing and playing with data. Added value? Explore powerful data structures, use tools for clearing and prepping data, and smoothly connect with other libraries. Flask for lightweight web apps. Use case? Perfect if you're into making small to medium-sized web apps that are simple and flexible. Added value? Enjoy a simple design, an easy learning curve, and a framework that's just right for projects where a full-on solution might be too much. Django for robust web development. Use case. Great for those dreaming big, building a strong, scalable web apps with a full stack frameworks. Added value? Dive into a ton of features, built-in security measures, and a tidy structure that's a blessing for quick development. These libraries and frameworks, my friends, are like your toolbox for specific needs. They give you a strong base whether you're getting into data science, making simple apps, or creating complex web systems. Adding these tools to your Python project is like giving your coding journey a boost, making you more productive and adding cool features to your applications. Is web development or data science more lucrative? Let's talk careers. Specifically, it is more lucrative to dive into web development or data science. Here's your guide to navigating this career landscape without getting lost in tech jargon. Web development opportunities. Focus. Making websites and applications. Value. Tons of chance in different fields, working on all kinds of projects and facing various challenges. Data science's lucrative demand. Focus. Digging into big data for insights. Value? It pays well because everyone wants to make decisions based on data these days, no matter the industry. Okay, choosing between them. My friends, let your interests and career goals be your guide. Okay, let's look at web development appeal. Perfect if you love crafting user-friendly apps and enjoy the hustle of tech. Data science appeal. For those who find joy in spotting patterns in data, helping smart decisions get made. In a nutshell, both paths have cool opportunities. Your choice boils down to matching your skills and interests with the hustle of web development or the detective work of data science. The most lucrative path? The one that clicks with your passion and where you see your career going. How can I contribute to open source? My friends, diving into open source contribution is like stepping into a cool coding adventure that benefits you and the global coding gang. Let's keep it simple with a quick guide to kickstart your journey. Explore platforms. Start your exploration on GitHub, the go-to place for loads of open source projects. GitHub makes it easy to team up and keep track of versions, making it perfect for new contributors. Identify beginner-friendly projects. Look for projects tagged as beginner-friendly or good first issue. These projects are like open arms for newbies, giving you a chance to contribute without feeling lost. Submit small, meaningful contributions. Start with little fixes or improvements. It's like testing the waters, helping you get a grip on the project style, rules, and how to contribute. As you get comfy, you can tackle bigger challenges. Engage in discussions and forums. Join the talk on GitHub or related forums. Being part of the chatter shows you're in for the long run and lets you learn from the coding veterans. By following these steps, my friends, you're on a journey to boost your skills, create a standout portfolio, and connect with the open source community. Start small, stay curious, and see how your coding mojo shines in the world of open source. How important is version control, for example, Git? Diving into the world of Git, the superhero of version control brings a bunch of perks to your coding game. Let's break it down in simple terms. Tracking code changes. Git keeps tabs on every change you make to your code. It's like having a rewind button, letting you review or go back to previous versions just in case things get tricky. Enabling collaboration. Git is your team player. It lets multiple developers work on the same project at the same time. And the best part? Git sorts out the teamwork mess, making sure everyone's changes blend in seamlessly. Maintaining project history. Git keeps a neat diary of your project's life, documenting every change. This diary, my friends, is gold for understanding how your project evolves, fixing issues, and keeping everyone accountable. Systematic development approach. With Git, you play it smart. Use branches to work on new stuff or fix bugs without messing up the main project until you're ready. It's like keeping things tidy and organized. Okay. Enhancing team coordination. Git creates a hub where your team can share and sync their work. Okay? It's like a team meeting spot that avoids chaos and keeps things running smoothly. Alignment with industry standards. My friends, Git isn't just cool. It's the industry standard. Knowing Git is like speaking the language of the coding world. It's a must for any developer, aligning you with the best practices in the software game. To sum it up, Git isn't just a tool. It's your coding buddy for a smooth and reliable development ride. It lets you team up, keeps your project history intact, and makes sure you're on a par with industry expectations. Okay, well, how do I stay motivated and keep learning? My friends, keeping the coding flame alive and kicking is a game changer for your learning journey. Let's make it simple with this down-to-earth tips. 1. Set clear goals. Plan your journey with clear, doable goals. Break them into bite-sized tasks to see progress and feel that sweet sense of accomplishment. 2. Celebrate achievements. Pat yourself on the back, even for small wins. Celebrating milestones pumps up your confidence and keeps you pumped for more learning. 3. Engage with online communities. Jump into places like Stack Overflow, connect with a bunch of supportive coders, share stories, ask for advice, and learn from others riding the same coding wave. 4. Attend webinars. Spice up your knowledge by tuning into webinars. Get the scoop of the latest trends, see real-world applications, and rub virtual shoulders with experts in the field. 5. Utilize learning platforms. Dive into structured courses on platforms like Coursera. YouTube is also your buddy for tons of tutorials. It's like having a coding buffet to keep those skills top-notch. Okay, well. 6. Explore new projects. Keep the coding spark alive by trying out new projects. Go a bit wild and venture into areas that push your limits. It's like injecting a dose of excitement and creativity into your learning journey. Remember, staying motivated is a journey, not a destination. These tricks are your roadmap to tackle challenges and keep that positive vibe alive. Keep coding, stay curious, and let the coding adventures roll in. What are the different career paths in Python? Exploring career paths in Python? Let's break it down in simple terms. 1. Web development. Roles. Front-end and back-end development. What's the buzz? My friends, Python's user-friendly nature makes it go-to for crafting cool websites. Front-end folks make things look good, while back-end champs handle the tech behind the scenes. 2. Data science. Roles. Data analyst or machine learning engineer. Python power. Python rules the data science kingdom, my friends. Libraries like NumPys and Pandas flex their muscles for data magic. Analysts dig insights, while engineers cook up predictive models. 3. Automation, scripting, and software development. The Python touch. Python isn't just for big projects. It's the wizard automating tasks in tech, finance, and healthcare. Let's look at automation. Streamlining things with automated scripts. What is scripting? Writing code for specific tasks or workflows. And software development. Crafting applications and systems with Python's magic touch. Okay. Understanding these paths help you shape your learning adventure. Whether you're into the web dynamic dance, the data science groove, or the efficiency game of automation, Python's got your back. It is the versatile toolkit for rocking it in different industries. What are Python's valuable aspects in DevOps and NetDevOps domains? Let's dive into why Python is a game changer in DevOps and NetDevOps. No jargon, just essentials. Automation Maestro. What it does? Python is the go-to for automation everyday tasks. Why it matters? Less manual works, fewer mistakes, crucial for smooth DevOps and NetDevOps. Infrastructure Whisperer. How it helps. Python takes charge of servers and networks, making sure everything's run like clockworks. Why is it cool? Adaptable and scalable solutions to handle changing needs. Python's got it covered. Configuration Guru. It's a skill. Manages system configurations like a pro. So, why its count? Keeps everything consistent across different setups, making deployment a breeze. CI/CD Sidekick. Where it shines. Powers CI/CD pipelines for automated code integration, testing, and deployment. Why, it's awesome! Speeds up development, creating a more agile and responsive environment. And finally, simple and loaded. Perks. Python's simplicity and readable code fast-track DevOps and NetDevOps. Bonus. Ready-to-use libraries cut down on coding time, making projects move at warp speed. In a nutshell, my friends, Python's not just a player. It's the MVP in DevOps and NetDevOps. With its automation skills, infrastructure finesse, configuration wizardry, CI/CD magic, and simplicity, Python keeps things running smoothly in the ever-evolving tech world. Wow! That was a fantastic journey through the world of Python. Whether you're a coding novice or a seasoned pro, I hope you found these insights valuable. Remember, Python is not just a programming language. It's a passport to endless possibilities in IT. From web development to data science, automation to software development, Python is your versatile companion. Now, it's your turn to embark on this Python adventure. Dive into the world of coding, explore new projects, and remember, the more you code, the more you grow. Okay, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more tech talks and coding adventures, and ring that notification bell to stay updated. My friends, if delving into how to become a Python developer sparked your curiosity, you won't want to miss the valuable insight waiting for you in our earlier videos. I'm Farhad Ali Karami, and I can't wait to see you in the next videos. Happy coding, and let the Python magic begin!